Hi everyone, welcome back for another vlog, and for today's video I'm going to walk you through on how to post a photo on your Threads app. So if you want to know more, make sure to finish this video and follow all of the simple steps. As you can see guys, this is the home page of Threads app, so you could check out the photos or the post of the person you're following of in here. So the very first thing that you need to do is to click on the third button here, the edit one, to be able to post a photo in here. Once you click, it will load you into this page. So the next thing you would do in here is that you could type in a caption in here, or just tap on the clip here, then choose the photo that you would like to upload in Threads app. So just find a photo that suits your taste or the one you would like to upload, and once you find it, just tap on it and click on done. Alright, once you click done in here, it will gonna give you a preview in here, and then you could type a caption on the start thread. Just tap on that and type the caption that you would like to put for your photo. So we were gonna type in here Rosie Riri. Okay, so put the heart in there, and once you're satisfied with that, you could go on and go to post or click post, and then it will gonna post on your feed. Just wait for a couple of seconds, and as you can see, you could check it out on your account profile. So here in your account profile, you could get a preview of all the posts that you've made into this app, to Threads app. So that's how easy it is, guys, to post a photo using your Threads app. So I hope that you learned something new today, and I hope that you find this video useful. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and notification bell for you to get updated on the latest update. Thank you for watching.